So let's start with our alphabet rainbow. First letter of the alphabet, A. Last letter of the alphabet, Z. Middle letter of the alphabet, M. Press pause now to complete your rainbow alphabet arc. Okay, let's go through the answers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Press pause now to check the direction of your letters and also that they're all in the right place. So what sound are we doing today? I have a snowman, a wheelbarrow and the colour yellow. Snowman, wheelbarrow, yellow. O. Now the two phonemes that make that sound, the O and the W, and those two sounds together make O. So let's have a little look at the words and let's see where that sound appears. Snowman, wheelbarrow, yellow. So snowman is a compound word, so O is at the end of the word snow. Wheelbarrow, again a compound word, but the O is at the end of barrow. Yellow, O. So we can see that the O sound in these words appears at the end of the word. Snowman. Doesn't always appear like this, so we're going to read some words and see where else it appears. So first of all, I'm going to create my card. So the sound is O above the line, and I am going to do the colour yellow. So I have O yellow, O yellow. Create that card and practice that this week. So let's do some reading of words. I have a lot of words and they get more and more difficult. So let's start with bow, snow, sew, own, low, mow, row, toe, slow, bowl, crow, flow, show, stow, grow, blow, slow. Owner, throw, thrown, lower, flown, growth, slowly, grown, blown, shown. Willow, arrow, narrow, window, shadow, borrow, hollow, sparrow, sorrow, widow. Mellow, shallow, yellow, follow, pillow, below, elbow, fellow, rainbow, tomorrow. Press pause now to read those words. So there are a lot of words there, so I'm just going to click them up. It's a good set to practice the O sound from, and I am going to practice the word grow. So let me bring all these together. So I'm going to practice the word grow. Let me practice writing the O sound. O. So I need two phonemes. I need the O. So I start at the top and I make a circle. O. O. I practice my W. I start at the top. I go down, halfway up, down, all the way up. W, 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 w. O. O. Now let me practice writing the O sound. So I need two sounds, so I need an O, W, O, O, O. Now I'm going to write grow, grow, O, grow, grow, O, grow, grow, O, grow. That's good. Now we're going to read sentences. Some plants require direct sunlight to grow. Judy can row the boat to the other side of the lake. When grass gets too high, Steve must mow the lawn. The man must step on the brake to slow down the truck. Joe ate a bowl of oatmeal with milk and fresh berries. The pitcher tried to throw a fast pitch to the catcher. In the winter, a blanket, again, if you make a mistake, go back to the beginning. In the winter, a white blanket of snow lay over the land. The teacher will show the student how to multiply and divide. Joe can wade in the shallow end of the pool. A lemon and a banana both have a yellow skin. Joe tries to follow the advice of her parent. In class, Jane had to borrow a pencil from a fellow student. Tomorrow, Paul will try to repair a broken window in his house. After the rain stopped, a beautiful rainbow stretched across the sky. As the sun set behind it, the willow tree cast a long shadow on the ground. The owner of the store cannot lower the price of an item below the cost. So let's practice one of those sentences. I am going to practice. Judy can row the boat to the other side of the lake. Judy can row the boat to the other side of the lake. Judy can row the boat to the other side of the lake. Judy can row the boat to the other side of the lake. Judy can row the boat to the other side of the lake. I went back and crossed the F, so I got that right. So Judy can row the boat to the other side of the lake. Judy can row the boat to the other side of the lake. Press pause now to practice the rest of the sentences.